If you were not born with a silver spoon and you don't have a large amount of inheritance waiting for you, then your best equalizer in life is to learn a skill or to get into farming. And if you want to get into farming, then goat farming is your best bet to help you achieve that goal of financial freedom. My name is Uzo. They call me the Goat Whisperer. And on this series, we're going to be taking you through everything that you need to be able to run a goat farm. And hopefully at the end of this series, you'll be able to go from zero knowledge of goat farming to being able to run a goat farm properly and make profit from goat farming. Stay tuned.